So, now we have the morning of the snowstorm, and there's Stray Cat's little house, and you can see the little line of footprints. So, Stray Cat found his way to the shelter with the food. Stinky Boy is afraid of the snow, and now Buddy is maybe trying to go into the snow. He's checking it out. Buddy, what's going on out there? What is that? Stinky, you want to go out in the snow a little bit? You guys are big babies. You can see my neighbors, people are starting to shovel. So not too bad. We got about 8, maybe 10 inches of snow. Better than what we thought. Anyway, I gotta go start shoveling. So